In this video, I'm going to show how to add an image to emulate a sky. So what you want to do first is come over to the right side of the workspace, and you're going to choose this icon, World Properties. Then you'll click the color, this bullet point here, click color, and choose environment texture, and it turns purple, which is really freaky. Don't worry about that. We're going to add an image, so you'll click open and the navigator will open. Now for my students, I provide some high definition images, but you can search and download for free HDR images online. But anyway, I saved my HDR image, HDR file in a known location. So I'm going to select it, click Open Image, and make sure that your viewport shading method is in rendered. Okay, because like if this only the material preview is enabled, you will not see the sky image. So make sure that this rendered viewport shading method is enabled. Okay, so we see the sky and it looks nice. Now sometimes it won't come out this nice. Sometimes you want to move the clouds up or down. Sometimes you might see unwanted images that you want to drop below the horizon and so on. And we can do that. So come over into this, this world pane here, click Use Nodes. Oopsies. Click Vector, then Mapping. So when we have mapping, we'll have vector mapping, right? And then there'll be another parameter for vector. Click on that bullet point, choose Generated. Now, so I'll just pause here, or you can pause the video here. So vector mapping and then vector texture coordinated generated, right? The main thing that you're going to mess around with the sky would be the rotation along the Y and Z axis. So like if I cursor over the Y parameter, click, hold, and drag to the right to increase, or click, hold, and drag to the left, you can see I'll zoom out so you can see what's going on there. Okay, so I can change that, I can rotate it around the Y axis to raise and lower the clouds. Likewise, if I click, hold, and drag over the Z, I can shift the image left to right. And that's important because like not every image is gonna turn out as nice as this one.